Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to make glow rectangle effect with animation in After Effects. To make this effect, we need to install free plugin from Copilot Video. Let's search for Copilot Video Saber download. After download done, double-click to install the plugin. If you are using Mac, click on Plugin Path and point to the Adobe Plugin folder located under Library, Application Support, Adobe, Common, Plugins 7.0, Media Core. Then click Install. Now open After Effects. Create new composition. 1920 x 1080. Enable proportional grid. Use pen tool to draw rectangle like this. Fill color, none. Border black 10 pixel. Create new solid layer. Fill with black. Cool, now find Saber effect that we've just installed. Drag it to new black layer. Set preset to burning. Find path of rectangle shape layer. Copy using Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows. Under Customize Core option of Saber effect, select Layer Masks. Right-click on black solid layer. Add new mask. Find the mask path. Paste the rectangle path that we've just copied. Using Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows. Awesome. Now we have a beautiful glowing effect. It's time to make it animate. Click on little stopwatch. Pull the timeline to beginning position. Set mask evolution value to 0. Drag the timeline to 3 seconds. Set mask evolution value to 1. Set start roughness and end roughness to 0.8. Perfect. Now we have a nicely rectangle burning effect animated. You also can change glow color. Turn off the proportional grid and hide rectangle shape layer. For transparent background, expand render settings. Set composite setting to transparent. Also enable preview transparent background. It's time to render. File, export, add to render queue. Select output module. For video output, select RGB plus alpha channel. Click render. Now I will use it to overlay on my video tutorial project. Cool, I got my own highlight effect. Can you do that? Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.